have observed some individuals on the right drawing comparisons to George Floyd and referring to her as the white George Floyd. I find this perspective to be misguided. These are two completely distinct situations. In the case of George Floyd, there were approximately 3 or 4 officers applying their body weight onto an individual who evidently required medical assistance. I understand that the justification in that instance is that the crowd was distracting the officers. However, I believe that if officers are adequately trained, they would only need one officer to manage the crowd. The handling of the George Floyd incident was far from appropriate. In my view, this narrative is entirely different. These two women sought a confrontation with ICE, which tragically led to a loss of life. I am perplexed as to how some individuals on the right are attempting to link this to George Floyd. Even if some on the right assert that Floyd succumbed to an overdose, I maintain that the officers present did not manage the situation correctly. 3 or 4 of them exerted their body weight on him, and even if he had not ingested any harmful substances, I would have to assume that such weight is excessive for any human body to endure. If we consider that those officers were fit and weighed approximately 180 pounds each, that amounts to nearly 600 pounds on one individual. That is an excessive burden. While some may argue that they are trained in this manner by the Minneapolis Police Department, I contend that if this is indeed the case, then the training is fundamentally flawed.